morning, everybody. Welcome back. Here I have my tanker. I'm taking this to Charlotte, North Carolina. Check everything out. I pre-tripped the whole truck. Just waiting for my time, my DOT time. 8:25 in the morning. It's on about like 7:30. There's my ladder to my catwalk up there. I already did my pre-trip, so I'm all good to go. Do I like it? Yeah. This trailer, been beat up a lot. There's my pump, my air compressor, my pump. Pump's down here. Actually, I have to start it. Every day you have to start it at least once. Make sure it doesn't bind up. I checked under the engine compartment, make sure everything looks good. Belt, check for leaks and everything. So that's part of the pre-trip. I'm delivering a hazmat load. You just got to make sure all four sides of your vehicle, all four sides of your trailer is placarded. We don't do the front, we only do the trailer. Company policy. Check your coupling, your fifth wheel. Make sure there's zero space between the apron and the fifth wheel. Latch in the lock position. Make sure your platform is not cracked. Your bolts, all 6 of your bolts are mounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Some of them have like 7 or 8, but commonly 6 mounting bolts to the frame. So make sure your platform is mounted to the frame. No broken bolts or looseness. Airbag. I'm not gonna go through the whole pre-trip. I just did it. Check your tires, your valve caps, yada yada yada. And placarded in the back. And that's a quick tour. Blinkers, make sure they work, your signals, so drivers know. Side marker, signal flasher on the side. And just get you a zoom out photo, video. And call it a day. A starting of a day. Alright, and until next time, later.